most wonderful time of the year.
This is my favorite! I can feel it!
Oh, what the heck? You gotta take that back. Bro.
I'm cruising in a bit.
Wow!
Yes, sir.
What we got over there?
Oh my god! Oh my god, it's going!
For me, oh
Wait, what was it
my
for? Where's it from?
From Dad and Mom.
From Mom
Alright,
She.
see what we got, my boy.
What we got?
Kining Mom ug Dad. You know, wala man ilabot si Dad.
What we got, G?
You know,
Dad never picks out for the
Old Spice. I'm gonna get an allergy.
What
What is this? Some bath stuff? Okay. You trying to say I stink? My body.
Okay, you don't have to
What is that?
buy.
What is
No, I'm
that?
just kidding.
You got all you need.
Okay.
Fiji water. Okay.
We got, bro.
Some essentials.
These some essentials.
And
He's so close.
I already knew what it was
It's a whole
gonna be.
collection. Hey, my boy, what's your gift gonna be? Make a prediction.
so you wanna be fighting for JNanjoe.
What's that? What's that? What we got? We got.
Surprise.
Okay, what we got? Open it up.
Wait, some socks.
I got practical gifts.
The essentials.
Essentials.
You already know. That's for travel. Cause you already know. Cause she'll be going.
No, Brianna Japan.
Oh.
You know, Mom will give you nail clippers and
Alright, go get like a trash bag. Go get a trash bag. Okay.
nail clippers and shit. Hey, we're opening gifts now. Merry Christmas.
My lips are probably chappy.
Where's mine? Where's
We got so grooming essentials. Hey, I like.
Yeah,
That's
for
cool.
travel.
Try it.
got some.
Cause you'll be going for honeymoon.
So I can't open this until then. Alright, who's next?
Wait.
Why don't you just go through the thing? Why don't you just go
Pangapin na ng names. Oh.
What's that? Alright, we got to Dad.
Oh, hey. Isa ako ng father-in-law.
Oh.
For Ate Den from Sander.
Oh my god.
Auntie Dindin. Oh my god.
What we got? What we got for Auntie Dindin?
Bibizan!
Hold on. What?
From Bibizan!
Who's that for?
For Auntie Alexis from Auntie
Ooh.
Dindin. What do I have here?
What you got over there? You gonna open it now? Your favorite color?
Michael Kors.
Wow.
What's this?
How did you know I only wear Michael?
It's pink.
Alright, hold on. What do you got, then?
Alexis.
Hold on.
Oh, open it up.
I got. Is this Jim?
Oh my god!
When I go work out, he's making.
That's
Oh
awesome!
my god.
New year, new day. Show my booty.
I know you like that.
What's that?
Oh, to Sander.
Oh, to
from
Xander.
Princess Danielle.
Just in the lead. Okay, I like it. I see. Oh my god, some drip! You got the same That's motivation.
Nice. What we got? What we got? Wait, where's mine? Oh, it's right there.
Here.
We read each other's minds out there. Good job.
We're going together. What's this? To Dad.
All right,
from
to Dad.
Princess.
Wow. Thank
Wait,
you.
what am I doing?
A medium?
Here you go the other camera.
Sexy.
Alright, what we got?
I asked
You got
him. What's out this size?
Golly, boy, that thing huge, guy.
I swear it was in the women's section.
I'm pretty sure Xander bought this in plus size.
Bye, believe me, what you got,
Oh
dude?
god,
Yeah,
this
you got the
not.
sweats.
Yes.
To JNanjoe from 1010.
Woo! That's for me. Hold this. All right, let's see what we got here. Socks. Okay.
It's a cologne.
We're chick.
Versace.
Appreciate it. Appreciate it. That's good. I don't know what it smells like, but
The camera.
thank you, thank you. Oh,
What we got?
Everybody was talking
cologne.
about that's the new
Valentino.
Yeah.
That's a lot of people like that, yeah.
Yeah, a lot of younger people like that.
Oh, it smells good.
You can't smell it.
That smells good.
I can smell it from here.
Can't smell. Really?
I can smell.
To Den.
Thanks, then. Oh, here you go. Smell it right.
That's good.
Den
good.
from
Smells like-
Dion.
Oh my goodness.
Sabi ni chocolate to look good. Search.
Chocolate na pare mo.
Towel kayo sa baba.
That's for your colors. And it's in your color.
What you got, Dad?
It matches you right now.
What you got right there?
Versace.
Okay, cologne and stuff. All right, let's see what you got then. Oh! Some Ray-Bans?
It matches with you. Auntie Dindy. Put it on.
What do you mean it matches
Put
with
it
me?
on.
I feel like it's a
A
troll.
Ray-Ban?
No, I'm not tripping. Put it
Damn! Nice, nice, nice.
Den, Badingkla. Merry Christmas from Dad and Mom. So siya lagi niya kumangkuloy.
The panda money different. The panda money different. Wait, what the house and healthcare money look like?
It ain't it, cuz.
The panda money different, boy.
Not by another
Why
one.
is it so golden?
To Sander from
you're
Dion.
flashy, bro.
Oh, there's all Ray-Bans.
Oh.
That boy got them Ray-Ban.
Flashy.
They look like money. That's what it
No, there's one for Jane.
Which one?
That small one.
This one?
Let's see what we got. We got Xander got. What you got, Xander?
This one?
frames.
No, this one. Wait, hold on.
Some frames.
Oh.
This for him. This for Jane.
What you got, though? Let me see what you got.
JNanjoe.
Appreciate it, guy.
From Dion.
We got over here.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
This for the knowledge.
Oh yeah.
Knowledge.
Let me see.
And I was sure knowledge.
Wait, dang.
Okay.
What does it say? What does it say?
But-
Wow, look at Sander.
Tom Cruise in this bitch.
Wow.
Yes,
That boy that came in clutch, boy.
This one's for whom?
That's for me?
No,
No, this one's for
that's for Auntie Lexith from me.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me see. Yeah, that's mine. That's.
Are you sure?
Morning.
But I'm rapping, boy.
All right, let's see what we got, Auntie Lexith. That's it.
Why are you laughing? Why are you laughing? What is it?
The box is so weird.
Why is the box still like that?
Okay.
I just pressed your mouth, but he opened it up and then closed it back.
No, I didn't.
It came like that.
You did. This tape is ratchet.
I know, but you'll understand why I didn't want it to be obvious when I wrapped it. Cause I gave you gifts, but you know I didn't. You didn't have anything here, so I just bought.
Is this from Kroger?
That's the one I bought. What we got over there?
Oh my god! Oh my god! It's cotton candy! It's cotton candy!
What we got? Some cotton candy. Two cotton candy.
Two cotton candies.
Thanks, Uncle Jamin.
Oh yeah, we got here right here. We got a book to read later.
This for Alexis.
From to Auntie Alexis.
Mom. Yes.
Is it an essential?
Essential for essential.
Ooh, got the whole pack, starter pack.
My favorite.
And
What we got there?
okay.
Ooh, moisturizing body butter.
Okay.
Okay. What's next?
Essentials only.
Okay, and this. JNanjoe.
Who's that for? I think that's for Xander.
Okay.
Okay.
What is it?
I didn't want it to be obvious, but so I'll wrap it and other stuff.
Some W
But
rapping.
do you get a cotton candy too?
No, I didn't get cotton candy other than then. I fucking tape. What is it?
You gotta be careful though, cause
Oh, gotta be
it's like two things in there.
Alright.
JNanjoe is the worst gift wrapper ever. Do you see that?
No.
Do you see that?
It don't matter what they give.
What matters is what's inside. And it's
See, he was late sending me vibes, bro. Yeah, you gotta be careful. There's something in there.
A t-shirt?
But you gotta.
Hey, okay, we ain't gonna let them see that.
They ain't gonna see that.
Okay. I appreciate
To
it.
Princess Den
Princess.
from your grave.
That's from me.
Your grace.
That's from me.
Your grave.
Your grace.
Mom didn't even understand what the your grace means.
Your grace.
Y'all guys.
From your
Do it.
grave.
You saw the money, right? You saw the money?
Yeah,
got it? Okay.
got it.
Then open it. Cause it's recording.
With your crappy gift wrapping skills.
I asked mom for help, right? I wasn't about to do that. I wasn't about to do that.
What's inside this?
Some shoes. Oh my goodness. Yeezys.
Nah, there ain't no way Jane bought me some Yeezys. It's awful.
What? Yes, I did.
Better not be away.
No, they're the ones that I had.
Oh, some belugas.
The reflective ones that you didn't fit.
Oh, I told you.
Are you kidding me?
These are small, Jaden.
Yes, they do fit you.
They
That's
don't.
in men's though. Try it on. If it don't fit, I can always resell it.
This bitch. These don't fit me for real. This one's
What's that?
Dion from JNanjoe. Wow, big box.
What we got? What we got? I think that fits you, then.
Does it though?
These are kid size.
No, are they loose? They fit. They should fit.
They fit.
Air Max?
They're 2090s.
Socks are so thick, but they might.
Hey. What the heck?
Whoa, these dudes looking cute.
Appreciate you, man.
Yes, sir.
This for Kibble Lights from Sander.
Hey, my
That's in men's though.
Men's not for me.
What then? They super tight?
Not really, because Yeezys are soft.
But like, you have big socks too.
Oh yeah, I have soft.
Nah, that should fit. They're reflective though.
They are?
Yeah.
This for JNanjoe from Sander.
Alright, let's see what we got.
Uncle Dan, what you get, Uncle Dan? Alright, get you, Uncle Dan. We're about to find out.
Man, these pants or jacket? What is it? Shirt jacket?
That's some chinos, Uncle Dan.
Oh yeah.
Hey, yo.
Yeah, it's medium.
Got me this. You got me the freaking workout. Oh, hell yeah.
But
That boy better get gains for
Hey.
real.
they huge, boy.
They're big? That's a medium. I thought you were medium.
Yeah, I think you gotta try
Thanks,
it.
bro.
This for
Appreciate that, folk.
Dion from Atidenden. That's practical use.
Essentials.
Essentials.
We got
Wow.
shirt, okay.
Oh, that's a shirt?
Is that good, fellow?
No, it's H&M.
Guess what? Wala pa na akong alarm, ana. Alarm.
Wait, really?
Yeah,
Is that alarm?
You got to bring that to.
Wait.
Wow.
You better.
Socks. Some essentials.
That's gonna blow up your ink, right? No, Mom.
Who else?
Dude, there's an alarm on that.
Dog.
Bro, what the heck? You gotta take that back. Bro. Dude, you have the receipt?
Naman ko na yung mom, mother-in-law kay na may store nga.
I don't know.
Dang, boy, if I get caught with this.
Wait, they forgot to take that off?
I have that shirt.
This is a magnet, right?
I don't think they actually.
Yes, a magnet.
From me.
Okay.
Nagka na kay kuan biha. What else? Kuan Fidel.
Pakumoto si Gapon eh. Pakumoto ko yan eh.
Dito makakulutan ni Juan, kulong. CK.
Some cologne.
Nagkana ni mo from Sander.
Oh yeah, I got him. I found that thing.
Thanks.
What's we got?
Some essentials. Not like.
Essential.
You've been looking for one. They break it, man.
Okay. Just a black.
That's a
I need it.
Okay.
I need it. I
And
need
mine from for me
I'm telling you, it's in men,
with
so it should fit
Elizabeth from Princess Danielle.
Wow, nakuha na mo.
it. This large.
The biggest gift.
Yeah. Oh my.
Some boots.
Wow.
Let me try it on.
Let me try it on.
Try it on.
Just some other ones in there?
Next time y'all want write me a
All right.
gift.
Oh, Auntie Dindin.
Auntie Dindin, Uncle JNanjoe got you a gift.
I got another one.
This is my favorite. I can feel it.
Auntie Dindin, you're not a princess. You're a queen.
Oh!
You're not a princess. You're a queen.
You're a queen now.
I'm gonna be using this every day. Well, you didn't write on it, Uncle JNanjoe.
I got it on the thing.
Betty, a baddie.
Because my varicose veins. Whatever.
What it means? All right.
I
Let me know.
Oh my
Yes,
goodness.
Oh my
Too
goodness.
much presents.
How about mom and dad?
matching. Oh look, Mom, I've been looking for pajamas and stuff.
You came in clutch.
Super girly pajamas.
There's some more here.
Yay! Whoa!
Long sleeve Adidas. Okay.
Match with the Yeezys.
I know why you got this for me.
Boy,
Because I always steal your.
I told her to get it though. All right, who's that for?
Mom and Dad.
Woohoo!
Thank you.
Come on, let's
Look.
Look at yeah, that girl fly.
That matches with the Yeezys right there, for real.
Sing so now, like.
Oh yeah, sorry, I was trying to be cute.
Chunky na.
pang workout, Mom. Mag-gym lagi ko dapat.
Yes, you got
Hey, hey, that's kind of hard. I didn't realize like the 3 stripes on the side too.
It only looks hard because I look good. Yes, ma'am.
What's this?
Mom, can you pick up my bracelet real quick?
It's the most wonderful time of the year.
Just pop
Run.
it open.
Girl, this what you get trying to be too cute.
Oh. Woo! Date for
Date night.
date night to Olive Garden.
Does it have the value on there or no?
Yeah.
Oh no, 100! Alexander will come with us. They'll be just for one time. Everybody, don't come with us, okay? Just the 2 of us.
All right.
I think that's all for now. They're really trying to make me work out.
That's motivation.
Cool.
Man.
Gracias.
Thank you, thank you. Sinso na po.
Gifts are done. So
Thank
That's
you.
it for this video.
Thank you all.
sign us out.
Peace.
Sign us out.
This is Alexis and JNanjoe. Kappa Hug. Christmas. Out.
Mix